Namaskar. I am Prakash Astrologer, presenting you this coming week's weekly forecast, weekly horoscope for each and every sign. Going to talk about Leo. Leo, this coming week, family tension can be sky high. It's your duty to refrain from any family arguments, family conflicts, family politics. Don't waste your time in any fruitless discussion, fruitless arguments or debates. No. You should be extremely cautious, may I say, very careful when you're making any financial deal with anybody. Try not to rush into complete the deal. You have to read all the piece of paper or the contract, please. Otherwise, people can take your advantage, people will cheat you, people will rob you in a daylight. I assure you that. Try not to do that. So please, make sure when you're signing any important deal, you must read the whole contract, paper by paper, piece by piece. Please, very careful. This coming week is a testing week. You're very, very close to a dignified success. But your alertness, your discipline will assure your success. Your layback attitude, your rushing attitude, your annoying attitude, not input towards achieving a glorious success. No. So please give up that kind of destructive attitude, self-destructive attitude, and bring the finest qualities in you to have some patience and have an investigating nature and devote yourself toward what you want to achieve. Try not to be lazy or lay back. That won't take us anywhere. And don't waste your time in fruitless discussion, fruitless tensions, please. Make sure you use this time in a most productive manner. Leo, this coming week is a very important week. Very important when you're mingling with professional people. Watch your word of speech. You have to be very careful what to say, how to say, when to say, the timing, the language, the word, the attitude. Please, someone is observing you top to bottom. Please, very careful. Leo, this coming week, task of the week for you, try to keep 2 solid silver balls in your pocket. Very important. Try to wear a gold stud in your ears, please. Donate publicly sweets. Take 12 red flowers, bury in the ground on Friday evening. It's very important. Donate money to local blind school. Precaution. No negative qualities, no temper or rashness. Please, no. Chanting of the week for Leo. Om Harim Harim Suryaye Sahastra Kiranaye Manovanchit Dehi Dehi Swaha. More you do this chanting, more you achieve authority, power, authority. Thanks for watching my weekly horoscope. If you're new to my channel, then please do become a subscriber. For more contents including weekly, monthly, yearly horoscopes. If you'd like to know more about your yearly horoscope like romantic life, marriage, love of your life, relationship, career, financial backing, prospects, health, education, future prospect, then please visit my website. The link is in this video description below. I'll be back with a lot more forecast, but before I go, please don't forget to become a subscriber. If you become a subscriber, you have access to all the information. Wish you all the best and take care.